Basecamp and Notion are both fantastic tools. However, today we want to know which one is actually better. So we're going to put them head to head and figure out which one offers more benefits. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are now looking at Basecamp, and Basecamp can help you streamline your project management as well as team collaboration. And what's nice about Basecamp is it's a nice all-in-one tool. It does a bit of everything, so you can assign tasks with deadlines and visualize your progress using their innovative hill charts that show work momentum at a glance. Also, it's got a centralized team communication system with organized message boards and real-time group chats for instant collaboration. You can store, organize, and share all of your project files in one accessible location with seamless integrations. This means you can integrate Google Drive or any other cloud platform with all of your documents, your files, all of your media. You can also track events and deadlines with their visual calendar that syncs to personalized home screens for each team member. This is great. It's perfect for small to medium-sized businesses, marketing and creative agencies, freelancers and consultants, and distributed remote teams. This helps you collaborate still while being in different locations. Some of the key benefits here is the fact that it replaces multiple scattered apps with one unified platform. You can keep all your communications, all of your files, and all of your tasks centralized, and you can track real work with accountability reports, not just abstract metrics. The next thing and last thing over here we're going to see is the competitive and market advantages. So it's a refreshingly straightforward interface backed by 21 years of proven success. Minimal learning curves mean non-technical users can now onboard quickly with personalized home screens showing only the relevant projects. Also, it combines task management, messaging, file sharing, scheduling, all in one single powerful platform. This reduces tool sprawl, lowers complexity, and it helps teams maintain laser focus on what really matters. Also, their distinctive visual tools include that hill chart, which provides very intuitive real-time insights into project momentum, unlike your traditional Gantt or Kanban views. Also, reports are based on actual work completed, which fosters transparency as well as accountability. Their plans do start from $15 per month, and you can scale up to $349 a month at a flat rate for unlimited users with their Pro Unlimited plan. It's perfect for growing businesses that need unlimited projects and 500 gigs worth of storage without a per user cost increase. All right, we're looking at Notion now. So Notion is an all-in-one workspace. Notion unifies notes, tasks, databases, and projects in one tiny little space. You can create personalized environments for personal or team productivity. You get customizable databases. Create databases with tables, Kanban calendars, and lists. You can design flexible data structures tailored to your unique needs as well as your workflows, and you can manage your tasks, your projects, content, and customer data without needing any prior coding knowledge. Easily, you can also filter, sort, and visualize information to boost team productivity as well as organization. And you get real-time collaboration. So this means simultaneous editing. This is great for large teams that are constantly on the move, always making changes. Even if they are small changes, everyone is in the know because it's real-time updated. So this means multiple users at the same time can edit, update pages, and this is live. As well as commenting and feedback that is given. You can assign tasks and leave comments easily within the platform, and you don't have to do any follow-up emails to ask if this person got that and if they were updated on this. It's all done for you in one space. You can actually also share your workspace, and this keeps teams connected across all of your locations if you have remote teams. It also has a template system, so you can use pre-built templates for project management as well as your notes. You can adapt templates to fit your workflows and as your team needs, and you can reduce setup time with their ready-made organized structures, which is always fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, there are so many tools available out there today. My takeaway is always to go and try 2, 3, or even 4 of them to see which one actually works for you. And most of them offer free trials, so you can actually try them out without having any financial attachment to them. So before you invest, you can actually use them. Go ahead and try them out. If this video was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.